Before we get started, I want to make one thing clear. This is not a drawing class. On the surface, it may look like a drawing class because we will be using pens and pencils to produce lines on paper that resemble people and products, but that's about where the comparison ends. This class is more like a creative writing class, but instead of words, we'll use images to express our thoughts. There's a famous quote by the American historian David McCulloch, who said, "Writing is thinking. To write well is to think clearly." And this is exactly how I think about sketching. To sketch well is to think clearly. And more specifically, I think sketching can be a great way to support creative thinking. Sketching is in essence thinking with your hands. And just like writing, it's a skill that can be trained. And that's what this class is all about. Training your sketching skill to build confidence and to gain fluency so that you can tap into your creative potential.